Have your hearing aid suddenly started beeping non-stop? Today I am breaking down the real reasons behind those beeps and the quickest way to fix them so your hearing stays clear, calm and comfortable. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who wears hearing aids, are you helping a loved ones who does? You know how annoying that unexpected beeping can be. So let's get right into why it happens and how to stop it. Reason 1, low battery. This is the most common one. Hearing aids beep to warn you that the battery is running out. Before stressing about anything else, just recharge or replace the battery and see if the beeping goes away. Reason 2, volume too high. If the volume is cranked up, your hearing aid might start giving off whistling or beeping sounds. Just lower the volume slightly and see if that fixes it. Reason 3, loose parts or minor glitches. Sometimes a loose transmitter, a stuck button, or small internal issues can trigger beeping. A quick cleaning or soft reset often solves this. Reason 4, moisture or wax buildup. Moisture, sweat, or earwax inside the device can cause the hearing aid to malfunction. Wipe the device daily, avoid cotton buds inside your ears, and let the hearing aid air out overnight. Reason 5, tubing problems. If the hearing aid tube is bent, twisted, or cracked, the sound can bounce back and cause beeping. Check the tube, and if it looks worn out, it might need replacement. Reason 6, time for repair or replacement. If none of the simple fixes work, there might be a circuit issue. In that case, don't wait, get it checked. And this is where Hearzap comes in. They make it super easy for you to book hearing aid servicing, repairs, and even home checkups right from their app. It saves so much time and stress, especially if you don't want to keep traveling to the center. So get that beeping fixed at hearzap.com for free today. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses hearing aids. And if you want quick support for your hearing aids, check out Hearzap. The link is in the description.